Right. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today we are actually heading to, we're driving to Cape Town, right? Where we're going, we are actually taking a journey to Waterfront, where we're going to see, we're taking our kids, to Waterfront. We are going to visit Robben Island for the first time, right? So most of us, we want to actually, experience the best of the best, understand? So we want to make sure everything is 100%, just to go out there and enjoy our lives and make things possible for ourselves and get everything done and all those type of things. But it's one of those things, understand? Sometimes you just need to freshen up yourself, go out of there in life, go out of the home, don't just sit in one place, want to go out and see, other people, It's always good to go out of your comfort zone. They call it what? Comfort zone. As we're driving on the N2.
Lord, Father, thank you, Jesus.
We're passing a place called Khayelitsha, right? Khayelitsha is a place. Khayelitsha is a place. We are actually driving on the N2, right? N2. This road actually takes you this road takes you to Cape Town International Airport. Right. This is we are actually at this is Atlantic Sea. This is Sea Point in Cape Town. Sea Point in Cape Town. That's how it is. That's Sea Point in Cape Town. That's how it is.
No, we want to go to
right.
the park.
That's Sea Point. This is this place. It's a sea in Sea Point. There is a sea. The sea. There is. Right. We are in Cape Town, guys. I see the small ships. The ships there. Others are parked there. As you can see them there. Right. See. When you're facing this side, I think you are facing. You are actually facing North America. That side, right?
Yeah, it's cold.
Yeah, it is very cold. It is still winter, guys. This is now July. Still winter, right? Today is the 22nd of July. Right, it is a nice place, but very, very, very cold. Right, so that's Cape Town. Cape Town, that's Sea Point, right? So, it's a jogging place. People are able to wake up in the morning and jog and so forth. Yeah, that's Sea Point. This is still Sea Point. Right. Actually, this is Green Point. Actually, yeah, this is Green Point. Yeah, Green Point. And Green Point. From there is Sea Point. Sea Point all the way. Sea Point all the way. Sea Point all the way. Right. Right, guys, as you can see now here, we are actually at, we took a boat. We are actually going to the, to Robben Island. That's where we're going. As you can see here, this is just people that are actually outside. Such a wonderful experience where you can have, you know, some a glimpse of the place. As you can see here, we are actually taking a glimpse. Right.
Were decimated. That's the
they were becoming activists. So to stop this, they separated them. And that's how a convict prison was established in 1979. It is also the last prison to say, you know, to close its doors. Only 2 years after democracy, in 1996, did the island cease to exist as a prison. And it was those criminals who were the last to say goodbye. In terms of political prisoners, Mandela was released on the 11th of February 1990. By the end of that year, he ensured that the others were released unconditionally.
So after his release, some were released as well.
So yeah,
Legend.
1996, when our constitution was being implemented, that is only finally when the island ceased to exist as a prison. And then 2 years later, it opens up as a museum. When the island initially opened up as a museum, it was not only the ex-political prisoners employed, there were even officers who were invited too. Because whether we like it or not, there's always going to be different sides to the same story. And it wasn't just any officer, it was officers that took the risk to collaborate with prisoners. So unfortunately today there's no more officers.
Yeah, this is the
left.
history, guys, of the
But
Robben
I can
Island.
tell you
You know,
of one which
the gentleman is trying to give us the history of
titled
Robben
The
Island.
Life of Mandela, My Prisoner, My Friend, you know, by Christo Brandt. So when I first arrived here 12 years ago, you know, there still were 5 officers living ex-political prisoners. It gives me much hope that one day we can heal some of these openings.
Exactly.
Yes, you may proceed to the bus.
Thank you very much.
Please
Thank you
just
so
don't
much.
take my seat, the very first one.
Yeah, right. So guys, you know, we're all heading to the bus now. We're all heading to the bus we'll go inside the prison now, just to see where Mandela was kept, so forth. So we get into the bus now. Right. Right now here we are actually at the end, at the edge of the Robben Island. Right, Robben Island.
It is pretty cool.
Feeling cold, Papa?
Our 4 juice kind of a tricky day. Our 4 juice.
Four. It's here, Miss Cat. It's here, Miss Cat.
This was our store. That's where we store our cleaning material because as prisoners, we were responsible for cleaning this place ourselves. I spent the rest of my 7-year sentence in this section, in this cell down there. When I first came here in this section, I found that these cells were given names by prisoners who came before me. Ours was called runners. That's where I spent my 7-year sentence. Please follow me quickly. We thank you for taking your time in visit. Remember, you are free to take photo of this place. You are also free to ask questions. You may take a seat on these comfortable benches and then proceed. Come through, folks, don't be scared. No more prison now.
All right, now guys, we just completed the journey. Just completed the journey. We actually completed the Robben Island journey. We are now waiting for our family to come. Waiting for my wife. These are all tourists. Some of them are from South Africa. We all waiting for the other people to come in. All right. Thank you so much. We appreciate the opportunity and everything that we've just seen, witnessed, everything. Right. Where's Mommy? Where are they? I wanted us to stay on top.
We're gonna stay here.
No. I wanted us to be on top of the. Yeah, the thing. Yeah. Come, my babies, come. At a boat. Right. Now we're heading out. We're heading to the boat.